Hi viewers, welcome you all. Today we are going to show you how to make Atta Paratha. For Atta Paratha, we are taking 3 cups of atta flour. That is wheat flour. So we are going to make this one as dough by adding little salt and water. So check the salt as per your requirement. You can add the salt while making the dough. Preparation of dough is very important for Atta Paratha. That is the first step. After little water, then add little more after some time. By mixing it well, then add little water. You prepare the dough in this manner. You have to knead well for Atta Paratha. So we have to prepare the soft dough like this. So we are going to knead the dough further. As much possible, you have to knead the dough. That is very important. So you have to knead like this. Kneading of the dough is very important. So we have to knead approximately for 10 minutes the dough. We are going to add little oil, cooking oil, whatever oil you are using for cooking, you can use the same oil. Then knead again. So it should be a soft dough. Instead of making paratha in Maida, the dough will be soft. See, we made the dough. It is soft, see? If you are punching, it should be like this with the finger. I'm going to add little more oil with this. For paratha, oil is required. If you want to make chapati, this much oil is not required for the dough. Add oil on the top surface, then leave this dough for approximately 3 hours. So close with lid. Now it's 1 hour finished. See the dough. So knead again and make small balls out of it as per the required size. So kneading is very important in this one. So we have to prepare the dough like this. See, for 3 cups of flour we have taken atta flour. For this one we made as 10 equal balls. So add some more, little more oil on the top and leave it for 2 more hours. So we're going to take the dough now to prepare Atta Paratha. Okay. Have to use too much oil. You have to apply oil where in the roller also, so that it will not stick in the roller. Have to roll like this. Roll as much thin you can. Say we're going to put a cut with a knife like this. Then roll it. This is the way how you are preparing the Atta Paratha. So because of this one you will get a layered paratha. So just make lengthy and roll. Instead of making in multi-purpose flour, you have to make in atta flour. This is very healthy as well than the multi-purpose flour. Apply oil in the roller and roll like this. It takes too much oil. Once in a month doing like this, no problem. Can have oil, not always. That's it. You have to prepare all the balls like this. See, we made approximately 4. So we're going to cook this one in tawa. Apply little oil in the tawa. It's very tasty. You just try and let me know in comments box. Fry one side first. Now we're going to turn to other side. Apply little more oil. So you see the golden brown color. After tawa get heated up, keep the flame in sim. Now it's fully fried. We're going to remove this one. See, we prepared 3. This is the 4th one. We prepared all the 4. We have to arrange, and we have to tap on the sides like this. See, you can see the layer now. See the layer. See, it is layer by layer. It will be like this. So I think you will you enjoy this video. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.